welcome to Sri Satya Sai Lokaseva Gurukulam online classes. Today we start a new chapter, that is eat. Okay, yes, in this chapter, in this video, what are the things we are learned? What do you mean by hot and cold, what do you mean by temperature, and also measurement of temperature. Yes, let us see one by one. First, hot and cold. In our day to day life, we can see so many objects around us. Is it right? We can see so many objects around us. Some of them hot, some of them are cold. Yes, some of them hot, some of them. See, there is one picture is shows the heating effects. Another one is a freezing effect. Means one is hot, another one is cold. Example: what do you feel when you hold the cup of the tea? And also when you hold the container ice cream. If you feel same, no. Means cup of tea is hot and ice cream is cold. Yes. So some objects is hotter than others. Some objects is colder than others. So we can decide which object is hotter by touching. See, we can touching a object, we can see which one is hot, which one is cold. Can we say that how much of object it is, how much of heat it is? No, we cannot always, by the sense we cannot say how much of object of hot it is. So for that purpose we need a temperature. So hotness of object is measured by temperature. Okay. So let us know by what do you mean by temperature. So what do you mean by temperature? Temperature is a measure of degree of hotness, degree of hotness or degree of coldness of an object. It is a measure of degree of hotness or degree of coldness of an object, that is called temperature. Yes, the temperature is something tells how hot or how cold the object is. Yes, how much of hot the object is or how much of the cold the object is. So it tells temperature. See, cold and hot, how much of hot and how much of cold it is. It is seen, it will tells about and told about a temperature. Next, measurement of temperature. How will you measure the temperature? Here is an temperature is measured by a device that is called thermometer. Yes, can we measure the temperature by using a thermometer? Yes, we can measure the temperature by using the thermometer. Temperature is measured in degrees. It will be measured in degrees. It may be in Celsius, Fahrenheit or Kelvin, whatever it may be, but it will be measured in degrees. Here is a figure there, please up the figure. 10, minus 10, minus 20, 30, 0, 10, 20, 30. These are the degrees. Okay. Yes. So what do you mean by thermometer? Yes, we are talking about what do you mean by temperature. Now what do you mean by thermometer? Thermometer is an instrument. First, it is an instrument used to measure the temperature. Yes, it is an instrument used to measure the temperature. In nowadays, we are suffering from corona. At that time, they are using an digital thermometer also. It is also an thermometer. Yes. In this chapter, we will learn about two types of thermometer. First one is clinical thermometer. I think you have seen this type of thermometer. Second one is laboratory thermometer. Say this type of thermometer. Yes. Let us discuss one by one. First one is clinical thermometer. So what do you mean by clinical thermometer? Clinical thermometer, it is also a thermometer that measures the temperature of our body. Thermometer is a clinical thermometer that measures the temperature of body. That is called a clinical thermometer. Yes, here is a clinical thermometer. This is a clinical thermometer. Okay. Yes, construction of clinical thermometer. How it will be constructed? There is a procedure how it will be constructed. Yes, see, here is also a clinical thermometer. See that the image, here is a bulb is there and also small kink or constriction is there. There is an red arrow and this is called as capillary tube. This is called as an capillary tube. Okay, this is capillary tube. This is an kink or constrictions. This is called as an bulb. It will end with an, it will connect with an mercury. It will be filled with an mercury. Okay, this is an red arrow. Okay, yes. See, clinical thermometer has a long narrow glass tube. This is a long narrow glass tube. It has bulb at one end containing mercury. Here is the end. It containing an bulb. It is containing an mercury. Okay, it contains mercury. It has a scale called Celsius. It may be marked in Celsius 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. This is in a Celsius. This clinical thermometer reads the temperature from 35 to 42 degrees Celsius. Only it measures from 35 to 42. Here is a measure from 35 to 42. The clinical thermometer has a small kink. Here is a small kink, means it has to be like this. Okay, or constriction. It has a small kink or constriction near the bulb. Why it has to be like it is? It has to be a kink because it prevents the mercury level from falling down easily. It cannot fall down easily. When you take out from our mouth, it cannot fall down easily. So the doctor can check up. It is easy to identify. So that's why there is a kink or constriction is there in the clinical thermometer. Okay, this is about an construction. Yes, the normal temperature of human body is 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 Fahrenheit. It will be in Fahrenheit. Okay, in the degree Celsius it is 37 degree Celsius. Next, reading the clinical thermometer. What is the procedure for reading a clinical thermometer? There is a procedure will be there for reading the clinical thermometer. Yes, what is the procedure? First we have to wash the thermometer with antiseptic solution. First we have to wash that clinical thermometer with an antiseptic solution first. Okay, after that hold it firmly and give few jerks to bring the level of mercury below 35 degree or 35 degree. Up to 35 degree, I have give a jerks. Okay, up to below mercury below 35 degree. Okay, first you have to do this like this and then place the bulb of thermometer under your tongue. See, here is a picture is there. They place the bulb of thermometer under the tongue. Okay, next after 1 minute take out the thermometer and note the reading. It may be in 37, 36, 38, or maybe note down the reading. This is the procedure of reading the clinical thermometer. Yes. Nowadays we are using a digital thermometer. Not we are using as in this type of thermometer. This is a mercury. They are filled with mercury. Now we are using a digital thermometer. In this corona time, we are using a digital thermometers. Yes. Yes, what will be digital thermometer? Yes, this is a digital thermometer, and also I already seen in that thermometer also we are seeing the digital thermometer, that is also digital thermometer. This is also digital thermometer. Yes, what is the difference between this type of thermometer and digital thermometer? Means it is containing mercury, but digital thermometers are preferred over conventional mercury thermometers. It is over a conventional of mercury thermometers. Digital thermometers are easy to read compared to this. Okay, it is easy to read and it because of it giving an LCD display. Yes, it has giving an LCD display, but compared to this it is an easy. Yes, so that's why we are using an nowadays we are using an digital thermometer. Yes, the LCD display of temperature of a person, they are also mercury free. They are not used on mercury. Okay, this is giving an LCD display. Yes, next we move on to the laboratory thermometer. Up to this is a clinical thermometer. So now we move on to the laboratory thermometer. What do you mean by laboratory thermometer? Laboratory thermometer is the measuring the temperature of any object other than the human body. Means laboratory thermometer is the measuring the temperature of any objects other than human body. That is called laboratory thermometer. Yes, here is an laboratory thermometer. The image, it is a laboratory thermometer. Yes. Now we have move on to the construction. How it will be constructed. Yes, here is also a laboratory thermometer as a long narrow glass tube. Long narrow glass tube, and it has a bulb at one end containing mercury. It is also bulb at one end. Yes, it containing an mercury. Yes, it is containing a mercury. It has a scale marked in an degree Celsius. It is also marked in a degree Celsius. 0, -10, 20. This is an +10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, like this. This is a scale marked in a degree Celsius. It is a range, laboratory thermometer, it is a range from -10 degree Celsius to 110 degree. Okay, -10 to 110 degree Celsius. It is the range of laboratory thermometer. Yes, measuring the temperature with laboratory thermometer. First you have to take some tap water in a beaker. Yes, after what to do? Dip that thermometer in the water. Dip this type thermometer in the water, and thermometer doesn't touch the bottom or sides of the beaker. It doesn't touch the bottom and also sides of the beaker. Okay, if we touch that one, it will also measure the temperature. So that's why we doesn't touch the bottom or sides of the beaker. Yes. After what to do? Hold the thermometer vertically like this. You have to hold. After some time, the mercury level will rises. Means the mercury level will rises. After some time, it will be steady. Means it cannot further move. Okay, it will be steady. It will be constant. The mercury doesn't move up. So wait till the level of mercury become steady. So note the level of mercury. It may be an 70 or 80, whatever it may be. Note down the level of mercury. This will be the temperature of that water. Okay, that is the steady temperature, means it will be an constant. That is the temperature of that water in the beaker. Okay, this is the reading of thermometer. How to measure the temperature with the laboratory thermometer. I will recap that what we are discussed in this class. First one is, which one is hot and cold? What is the difference between hot and cold? We cannot, by sense of an object, we cannot say that this that a body, the object temperature is that much. We can use the thermometer. We can know the definition of the thermometer. It can be an thermometer is a device used to measure the temperature. And we also seen two types of thermometer: clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer. Okay, clinical thermometer, it is also a thermometer used to measure the temperature of the human body. That is called clinical. Laboratory, it is also one of the thermometer. It is used to measure the temperature other than the human body. That is called laboratory thermometer. In that laboratory thermometer, the range is from -10 degree to 110 degree Celsius. But in the clinical thermometer, it is range from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. And in the clinical thermometer, there is a small constrictions or kink is there. But in the laboratory thermometer, there is no kink, there is no constriction is not there. Yes. After that, the normal human body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius, or in the Fahrenheit scale, it will be 98.6 Fahrenheit. Okay. Yes. Here is an assignment for you. First question is, what do you mean by temperature? This is the first question. Second question is, mention the difference between clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer. Third one is, what is the normal temperature of human body? You can represent in a Celsius or even a Fahrenheit. So, what is the normal temperature of an human body? Thank you. Sai Ram.